Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock a viewport so you don't accidentally pan or zoom using the easy method. This is a great way to secure your drawing layout on your current setup session so your lines stay in place perfectly every single time. Step 1. Move to your white paper layout sheet. The first step is to switch away from your main endless drawing space and go to the white page view where you organize everything for printing. Move your mouse pointer down to the bottom left edge of your screen workspace, find the tab that says Layout 1, and click on it once. Watch your monitor change from the dark drawing area to a bright white sheet that looks like a real piece of paper, because you cannot lock a view box while you are working in the main model area. You have to be on the paper sheet setup so you can select the specific window frames you want to freeze. Without this step, your screen won't show the correct box lines to lock down. Step 2. Highlight the outer edge of your view window. Next, you need to use your mouse pointer to select the outer frame lines of the view box that you want to lock in place. Move your cursor over the borderline of your view window on the white paper sheet and click on it once with your main mouse button. Make sure the outer border of the box lights up with tiny blue squares at the corners, which confirms that you have successfully selected the frame. Because if you do not select the frame line first, the computer won't know which window box you are trying to change. Highlighting the borderline picks out that exact camera frame from the rest of your page. It ensures the software applies the safety lock to the right box. Step 3. Click the padlock icon on the bottom bar. Now you need to move your mouse down to the small row of tools at the bottom of your screen and switch on the locking feature. Look at the very bottom right corner row of your screen window. Locate the tiny icon that looks like an open padlock and click on it once. Watch the little padlock icon change its look so that it snaps shut and turns a bright blue color. Because clicking this tiny lock icon writes a safety rule straight into the software memory card. It tells the system engine to freeze the zoom level and position of everything inside that box. It is the key step to getting the right output because it prevents your mouse from sliding the drawing away from its correct spot. And that's it. To lock a viewport so you don't accidentally pan or zoom, you must first click on the Layout tab at the bottom to open your paper view. Then you click once on the outer borderline of your box to select it on your screen canvas. Next, you look at the bottom right corner and click the small padlock icon until it turns blue. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.